And we're back to learning Illustrator in a year day 220. Let me show you the flag warp. You can find it under Effect, Warp, or right here in the style for the warp options. Use the drop down for flag. Horizontal goes top to bottom and gives you these wavy lines on both sides. Vertical flips it from left to right. And with the bend, you can adjust the direction and therefore also the intensity. There's, as always, the distortion, horizontal and vertical, which basically rotates it in these two dimensions. It also works on text, but be careful here, especially when you use a vertical flag. You cannot go very high because it's going to transform your text way too much. It becomes unreadable quickly. Stay below 10% in each direction, but for horizontal you can actually go quite high. And this I can use the flag warp in Illustrator. I hope this video was helpful, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.